understand that feeling of lying awake, your mind racing while your body aches for rest. It's a silent battle far too many of us face. But what if I told you that for women over 30, chronic poor sleep can accelerate cellular aging at a rate comparable to some chronic diseases? The fight for our vitality and longevity truly begins when we turn out the lights. And tonight we uncover a powerful natural ally in that fight, the Montmorency tart cherry. This isn't about folklore, it's about biochemistry. These cherries are one of nature's most concentrated sources of two critical compounds. First, melatonin, the very hormone our brain produces to regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Second, a class of potent phytonutrients called proanthocyanidins. These act as guardians, slowing the breakdown of tryptophan in your body, which is an essential amino acid your brain needs to produce more of its own melatonin and serotonin. It's a brilliant two-pronged approach, but the benefits extend far beyond simply falling asleep. Many women experience a rise in aches, pains, and stiffness as they age, which is often driven by chronic, low-grade inflammation. Tart cherries are rich in another class of compounds called anthocyanins, which are powerful anti-inflammatories. Research highlighted by institutions like the Cleveland Clinic shows these compounds can significantly lower key inflammatory markers in the blood. This means less joint pain, faster muscle recovery after exercise, and crucial support for your cardiovascular system. Let's visualize the before state, a system under the constant strain of poor sleep. Night after night of insufficient rest triggers a cascade of negative effects. Your adrenal system pumps out excess cortisol, the stress hormone which disrupts blood sugar and encourages abdominal fat storage. Your cells can become less responsive to insulin, pushing you towards metabolic dysfunction. Your immune system's surveillance weakens. In the brain, memory consolidation falters, leading to that familiar feeling of cognitive fog and forgetfulness. This isn't just feeling tired, it's a state of systemic disharmony. Now, let's step into the after. Imagine waking up feeling not just rested, but truly restored. This is the physiological reality of consistent quality sleep. Your sleep architecture deepens, allowing you to spend more time in the crucial non-REM stages. During this time, the brain's glymphatic system, its dedicated waste clearance pathway, is at its most active, flushing out metabolic debris like beta amyloid, which is linked to neurodegenerative conditions. Your morning cortisol rhythm rebalances, providing calm, sustained energy. Muscle soreness from activity resolves more quickly as systemic inflammation is actively managed. This is a profound shift from surviving to thriving. It's not merely about reversing the damage of poor sleep, it's about unlocking a higher level of daily performance, mental clarity, and biological resilience. So, how do we achieve this state of harmony? It requires a precise and intentional protocol. Here are 3 actionable steps to begin tomorrow. First, the tart cherry elixir. Exactly 1 hour before your desired bedtime, consume 30 ml of unsweetened tart cherry juice concentrate mixed into 200 ml of still or sparkling water. This timing is crucial. It allows the natural melatonin to be absorbed and to begin signaling to your brain's pineal gland, initiating the sleep cascade before you even lie down. Check the label. It must be free from added sugars, which create an inflammatory response and disrupt sleep. Second, synergistic mineral support. With your elixir, take 400 ml of magnesium glycinate. This specific form is highly bioavailable and has a calming effect on the central nervous system by binding to GABA receptors, effectively quieting mental chatter and anxiety. Third, the analog wind down. The final 60 minutes of your day must be screen-free. The blue light emitted from phones and tablets directly suppresses your body's melatonin production, actively working against the elixir. Instead, read a physical book under very warm, dim light, perform gentle stretches, or listen to calming music. This 3-part protocol, nutrient timing, neuro-calming support, and environmental cues creates a powerful synergistic foundation for the most restorative sleep of your life.